Here we have the blue cotton blouse with a Peter Pan collar, short sleeves with facings, and a shirt tail hem. I will be teaching you how to draft the collar to create this nice high roll, how to make an under collar so that the collar rolls under a little bit and doesn't lay totally flat. We'll learn a shaped hem with a facing. I'll teach you the extension for buttons and buttonholes. We'll learn how to do a curved hem and how to stitch it nicely. And also on the inside, I have stitched and turned seam allowances, French seams on the shoulders. Because I'm trying to use just a regular sewing machine, I use zigzagging to finish the seam allowances. We'll learn a lot about pressing, different stitch lengths and why to use them, how to ease a cap in so that you don't have gathers or pleats. You see there's just easing, a little tiny bit of easing, no gathers or folded over pleats. We'll learn the side bust darts. This is such a nice lightweight fabric that I did not put darts in the back, so it will have a little more blousing. Now let's get to work and I'll teach you how to make this pattern.